Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You sign in and act now. Confirm the account email and a recovery phone number so Google can reach you. Once done, make sure your password is strong and unique. Change it if older than 6 months. Next, navigate to Security, find two-step verification, and press Get Started. This begins the setup flow. Follow prompts to verify your identity. You're not reading options, you're enabling protection. Do the initial verification step, so you can add second factors immediately. Now you choose and configure your second factors. Start with Google Prompt or SMS to get a quick verification method. Tap or enter the code when prompted. Then add an Authenticator app for time-based 6-digit codes. Scan the QR and test a code so it syncs. After that, register a hardware security key if you have one. It provides phishing-resistant login. Finally, generate and securely store backup codes in a password manager or printed safe place, so you're never locked out. Finish by reviewing active devices and removing any you no longer use. This prevents unauthorized access. Make sure backup codes are stored offline and that recovery options are current. Update them every 6 months. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try a backup code, a registered device, or the account recovery process. If recovery stalls, check that system time is correct on devices using Authenticator apps. Time drift causes invalid codes. Doing these final checks seals the setup and avoids common lockout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.